Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an image slightly transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, go to the home menu. Then select the new slide drop down menu and choose blank slide. Then go to the insert menu. Now I am select the shape and draw the rectangle. Then select the shape and go to the format menu and select the shape fill. Then select the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Then insert the picture and select the transparency option and increase the transparency. Then make the picture slightly transparent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.